Okay, dear students, now let us discuss about exercise 2.4 on triangles. First question we have, let triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 square centimeter and 121 square centimeter. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter given, find BC. We need to find here length BC. Okay, solution. It is given that triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF given, correct? Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to areas of squares, okay, areas of similar triangles, okay. By theorem we have to prove this is equal to AB by P, AB by DE whole square is equal to BC by EF whole square is equal to AC by DF whole square. Given that EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter. Area of triangle ABC is equal to given, that is 64 square centimeter, and area of triangle DF given, that is 121 square centimeter. We need to find BC. Put question mark. BC is equal to question mark. Okay. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF. Okay, because they have given values. BC by EF whole square. Put those values in the given theorem. Okay, theorem formula. Area of triangle ABC means 64 square centimeter. Area of triangle DF means 121 square centimeter, which is equal to BC means, right as it is, we need to find BC divided by EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter given, 15.4 centimeter given whole square. Okay. Okay, BC divided by 15.4 is equal to, this square is there, I will send to LHS, it will become square root. Okay, square root of 64 divided by 121, right? Therefore, what is the square root of 64? That is 8. The square root of 121 is 11. BC by 15.4. Okay. BC is equal to 8 by 11. 15.4 take in numerator place into 15.4. 15.4. 11 1 is 11. 11 1 is 11 point. 11 4 is 44. Therefore, BC is equal to 8 into 1.4. BC is equal to, do multiplication, 8 4 is 32. Okay, point, 8 1 is 8, 9 10 11. Therefore, 11.2 centimeter. This is the answer. BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Dear students, now let us discuss about second question on exercise. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to 2 times of CD, find the ratio. Find the ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and COD. Okay, here figure is not given, so we need to draw. Okay. Mention the name E, B, C, D. Take it as O. Okay. Solution. Since AB is parallel to DC, see diagonals of a trapezium ABCD. AB is parallel to CD given intersect each other at point O. If AB is equal to 2 times of DC, we have to find the ratio of their areas of triangles. What are those? AOB and COD. Okay, solution. Since AB is parallel to DC, therefore angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Okay, alternate interior angles. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. OBA is equal to ODC. This is also alternate interior angles. Angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. ODC. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. We have to compare now in triangle AOB and COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Alternate angles proved above. Alternate interior angles. Okay. Next, angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. Angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. This is also alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by angle similarity criteria. Therefore, triangle AOB similar to triangle COD by angle similarity criterion. Therefore, area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD, area of triangle COD is equal to AB divided by CD or DC whole square. Since AB is equal to 2 times of CD given, since AB is equal to 2 times of DC or 2 times of CD, therefore area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD is equal to AB is equal to 2 times of CD, okay, whole square divided by CD square is equal to 2 square 4 times of CD square divided by CD square, okay, cancel, is equal to 4 divided by 1. See here, the ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and COD, that is 4:1. Area of triangle AOB is to area of triangle COD is equal to 4:1. This is the right answer, okay, hence proved. Okay dear students, now let us discuss about third question. In the given figure, ABC and triangle DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at point O, okay, ABCD, we need to show that area of ABC divided by area of DBC, which is equal to AO divided by OD or DO. Okay, solution. Dear students, in the given figure, one small mistake, this is C and this is D. Okay, E, B, C, D. They are given in textbook like this only. Okay. Solution. Let us draw two perpendiculars, A to P and D to M. Let us draw two perpendiculars AP and DM on the line BC. On the line BC. AP DM. Okay. We know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Take that formula. We know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC. Formula half into base into height. Okay, first in area of triangle ABC, half into base is BC, height is AP. Half into base is BC into height is AP in triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC. For this also having the same base, that is BC, and height is DM. Half into base into height is DM. Okay, which is equal to half will get cancelled, BC also cancel. Okay, remaining is AP divided by DM. Okay, now in triangle APO and in triangle DMO. Okay, see here, angle M is equal to angle P, each angle 90 degree. Okay, because AP perpendicular BC and DM is also perpendicular to BC. AD intersect BC at O. We need to show that area of triangle ABC is equal divided by area of triangle DBC, which is equal to AO divided by DO. Okay. In triangle APO, in triangle APO and in triangle DMO and triangle DMO, angle APO is equal to angle DMO, each 90 degree. Angle APO is equal to angle DMO, each 90 degree. Angle AOP is equal to angle DOM, vertically opposite angles. Angle AOP is equal to angle DOM. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, triangle APO is similar to triangle DMO. Triangle APO is similar to triangle DMO by angle similarity criterion. Therefore, AP by DM, AP by DM is equal to AO by DO. AO by DO. AO by DO. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC. In the place of AP by DM, we have to take AO by DO. AO by DO. Hence, proved. Okay, this is the answer. Okay dear students, now let us discuss about fourth question. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. Okay, let us assume that similar triangles are, what are those? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Solution or proof. Let us assume that two similar triangles are equal, correct? Two similar triangles as triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Let us assume that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, okay, by theorem, AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC by QR whole square is equal to AC by PR whole square. Take it as equation 1. Okay. Given that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. See, two similar triangles are equal. We need to prove that they are congruent. This implies area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to 1. Okay. If you taken in the place of 1, both are equal, is it? Both triangles are similar or equal. Put this value in equation 1. Put this value in equation 1. We obtain 1 is equal to AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC by QR whole square is equal to AC by PR whole square. Okay. Now see here. In the place of 1, AB is equal to 1 into PQ. BC by QR is equal to 1, BC is equal to QR, AC by PR is equal to 1, AC is equal to PR. Okay. Which implies AB is equal to PQ. Next, BC is equal to QR. BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to QR. AC is equal to QR. Okay. AC is equal to PR it is. AC is equal to PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Hence proved. This is the answer. Okay. See this one. If you not understand, okay, I will write one sample here. Okay. For example, AB square divided by PQ square is equal to 1. Therefore, AB square is equal to cross multiply PQ square will get cancelled. AB is equal to PQ. Okay. AB is equal to PQ. Same like that. BC by QR, this one also, AC by PR also, same like that. Okay. Hence proved. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Dear students, now let us discuss about fifth question. D, E and F are respectively and midpoints of sides AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio. Find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. Okay. First, we have to draw the triangle ABC. Okay, A, B, C, and also D, E and F are respectively and midpoints of sides AB, BC and CA. Okay. D, E and F are respectively. Okay. Now we need to find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. Solution or proof. Let us assume that two triangles, DE and F are the midpoints of triangle ABC. D, E and F are the midpoints of triangle ABC. DE is parallel to AC and DE is equal to half of AC because AC doubles DE. Okay, therefore DE is parallel to AC and DE is equal to half of AC. In triangle BED and triangle BCA. In triangle BED and triangle BCA. Now we have to compare. Is it angle BED which is equal to angle BCA? That is corresponding angles, correct? BED is equal to BCA. The two angles lies on the same line. Angle BED is equal to angle BCA. We have to take this one it as corresponding angles. One more corresponding angle, angle BDE is equal to angle BAC. This is also corresponding angle. Angle BDE is equal to angle BAC. Corresponding angles. Okay, now common angle we have to give. Is it? That is angle EBD is equal to CBD. Which is the common angle? Angle B is common. Is it? Angle EBD is equal to angle CBA. Common angle. CBA common angles. Okay. Therefore, triangle BED is similar to triangle BCA. Angle similarity criteria. Therefore, triangle BED is similar to triangle BCA by angle similarity criterion. Right? Now, area of triangle BED divided by area of triangle BCA, which is equal to, that is DE square divided by AC square. Area of triangle BED divided by area of triangle BCA is equal to DE by AC whole square. Okay, areas of similar triangles, therefore, which implies area of triangle BED divided by area of triangle BCA, which is equal to DE is equal to here half of AC I have given. Is it right? Therefore, 1 divided by 4 whole square. 1 divided by whole square. See here, in the place of DE, half of AC divided by AC. AC will get cancelled. Is it right? Okay, remaining is half. That is 1 square is 1 and that is remaining is 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. That is 1 by 4. Which implies area of triangle BED, is equal to 1 by 4 into area of triangle BCA. Area of triangle BCA Okay, dear students, area of a triangle BED is equal to 1/4 area of BCA. Similarly, we can prove that CFE is equal to 1/4 area of CAB. Similarly, also we can prove that area of a triangle ADF is equal to 1/4 area of triangle area of ABC. Is it right? Similarly, area of triangle CFE is equal to 1/4 area of triangle CAB. Area of triangle CAB. Next, and area of triangle ADF is equal to 1/4 area of ABC. 1/4 area of ABC. Also area of triangle DEF, area of triangle DF, because we need to show that find the ratio of the areas of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. Therefore, area of triangle DEF is equal to area of triangle ABC. In area of triangle ABC, we have to do minus of ADF, CFE and BED. Okay, let us see. ABC minus, put common bracket. Now we should add all those. Okay, area of triangle BED plus area of triangle CFE plus area of triangle ADF. Area of triangle ADF. Okay, this implies area of triangle DEF is equal to area of triangle ABC minus, see here, area of triangle BED is equal to 1/4 area of BCA. Area of CFE is equal to 1/4 area of CAB, and area of ADF is equal to 1/4 area of ABC. See, all side having the same denominator, so LCM is 4. Correct? LCM is 4. Therefore, and remaining we should add all those 1, 2, 3 is nothing but 3/4 area of triangle ABC. 3/4 area of triangle ABC. Is it right? See here, BED plus CFE plus ADF, which is equal to 3/4 area of triangle ABC. Okay, this implies, which is equal to, see, 4 into area of triangle ABC minus 3 into area of triangle ABC, which is equal to 1/4 area of triangle ABC. Therefore, the ratio of triangle DEF and triangle ABC is 1:4. Therefore, this implies area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to 1:4. Area of triangle DEF is to area of triangle ABC, that is 1:4. Hence proved. Okay. Hence proved. Okay. Now, dear students, we have to discuss about 6th question. Prove that the ratio of the